are from standard 10th. I am standing in front of you to say summary the first chapter of biology. Life process. What are life process? Life process are the process going inside a living organism to sustain life. Example, digestion, excretion, reproduction, etc. Let us consider these various processes one by one. So my first topic is nutrition. Nutrition. Nutrition also provide nutrients. Nutrition is needed for doing any activities like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats, etc. These are essential for formation of certain body parts like bone, muscles, skins, blood, etc. Nutrients. Organic substance, inorganic substance. Glucose, fructose, a starch are given organic substance, while carbon dioxide, oxygen are given inorganic substance. There are two modes of nutrition: autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Autotrophic. Auto means self, trophic feeding. Autotrophic nutrition. Organisms which are not dependent on other living organisms for food is called green plants. For example, green plants. There are two types: photosynthesis and chemosynthesis. Photosynthesis, a plant which make their own food by the process of sunlight, is called photosynthesis, and chemosynthesis. Some bacteria, algae, to make their own food by some chemical is called chemosynthesis. Heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic. Heter means other, trophic feeding. Heterotrophic organism. Some organisms which are dependent on other living organisms for food. Example, human beings. There are three types: saprophytic, parasitic and holozoic. Saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic obtain its food from decaying plants, decaying matter, decaying animals is called saprophytic. Fungi, yeast, etc. Parasitic. Parasitic obtain its food from other living organism to obtain its and living organism is called its host. For example, roundworm and tapeworm. Holozoic. Holozoic nutrition is that nutrition an organism takes the complex food materials in its body. For example, human beings, tigers, dogs, etc. Enzymes. Enzymes are juice-like substance which secretes by organs be in a living organism. Digestive system. The process of taking food is called ingestion, and the process of food converting to a smaller molecules is called digestion. The process of distributing of digested food to whole body parts is called absorption, and the process of uses of food for growth is called assimilation. The process of removal of undigested food is called egestion. Nutrition in human beings. Mouth is also called buccal cavity. Food pipe is also called esophagus. Stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum and anus, and this whole process is called gut of alimentary canal. Food pipe is present behind the windpipe. The height of a small intestine is 6 meter, while the height of large intestine is 1.5 meter. But according to their weight is called small intestine and large intestine, and the height of whole alimentary canal is 9 meter. The contraction and expansion of the wall of food pipe and other organ digestive system along through the gut is called peristaltic movement. The stomach is a large organ which expands when food enters it. A sphincter. A sphincter are circular muscular structure which control the movement of substance through them. They remain closed, but when movement is required, they are open. Glands of digestive systems. Salivary glands. Saliva secretes enzymes, salivary amylase. Liver. Liver secretes a greenish yellow bile. Gallbladder is a small organ inside the lungs. Bile is a temporary stored in a gallbladder. Pancreas. Pancreas it secretes juices like pancreatic amylase, lipase and trypsins. Respiration. The process of acquiring oxygen from outside the body and to use it in the process of breakdown of some food sources for several days is called respiration. The tract is divided into two parts, lower and upper. The upper tract is the nose, nasal cavities, pharynx and larynx. The part of the larynx, the lower tract is the trachea, bronchi, bronchioles and alveoli. A large dome-shaped muscles under the lungs is called diaphragm. Hairs and mucus to filter air from they block the dust particles from entering our body. Rings of cartilage prevent the windpipe from collapsing in any situation. The breakdown of glucose, a 6-carbon molecule, into 3 carbon molecule is called pyruvate. The pyruvate may be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide in yeast during fermentation. The absence of air is called anaerobic respiration and the presence of air is called aerobic respiration. Let us go in the next topics, how transportation in human beings. In human beings, the various organ systems include the heart, lungs, blood. How transportation in human beings is carried by circulation. Blood is an important fluid connective tissue. It is mainly composed of plasma and blood cells. There are 3 types of blood cells, namely RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC, red blood cells. WBC, white blood cells. The RBC has hemoglobin and iron containing complex protein. The WBC are the cells that help in fighting disease and attack any foreign insect. The blood. The blood platelets are the ones of that help in clotting of blood. This system ensures that the deoxygenated blood from right side of the heart goes to the lungs entire. Glucose exchange occurs, blood gets filled in oxygen from the field and carbon dioxide is given out to the blood, then travels from the left side of the heart to all the parts of the body. Arteries and veins are the main blood vessels. These are interconnected by a network of smaller vessels called capillaries. Veins carry deoxygenated blood to the right side of the heart. Various arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to different parts of the body. Lymphatic system in human beings and vertebrates. To the lymphatic system acts as a subsystem of the circulatory system. It also has a role of play in the transportation in human beings. Lymph is a special fluid called tissue fluid. It plays a role of exchange process of nutrients and gases also occurs through the blood. Any excess fluid remaining in the cells and tissue is collected by the lymph and is strained into the veins which carry blood. Now take the excretory system. Life of every organism depends on certain base process. Excretion is one of the among different organisms follow different means of excretion in complex organisms including humans. There is a specialized systems for excretory system. Thank you.